more than likely I'm gonna get rained on. One of the things I always share is eventually you're gonna run in the rain in Florida. Rain. Yeah, it's gonna rain. All right, there's something about running in the rain that's exhilarating. Who cares if it rains? One of my all-time favorite runs is running in New York City in the rain. That was awesome. Good luck, turtle. Might as well put that turtle in the best chance to get back to the canal. See how bad the traffic is on this Sunday. Right. Not now. One more. Looks like we're gonna get stuck in another rain pour. Hey, Doc. All right, I only stop running to get some nice smooth footage. My least favorite thing about running in the rain is getting my feet all soaked and wet. In order to get this shot, I had to move a bunch of peacocks out of the way. Anyways, take a look. Yes, there's a bunch of peacocks. Alright, quick point here. It was those guys. And those guys. Alright, this run was filled with everything about nature. Rain, turtles, peacocks, birds, ducks. Alright, one of the best parts about running in the rain is the temperatures decrease and you're not so hot when you run, making it better so you don't overheat. Don't run in the lightning. Sorry, I'm trying to get the shot with lightning behind me. Oh! Gotta go. One more. Oh. I think that's the safest from. Alright, like I always promised, in 8:56, almost a 9-minute mile. Anyways, be safe. I don't recommend running in the rain, but be safe and I'll see you in the real world.